Hey everybody, Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. And guess what? Today we're going to talk about eggs, specifically omelets, when it comes to Carnival Cruise Lines. All right, so Carnival Cruise Lines, they've made a change recently when it comes to their custom ordered omelets on board the ship. You know, you go to the buffet. They have the omelet station. You can get in line there at the omelet station and order a customized omelet. You know, whatever you want in it. You can get some vegetables, you can get some bacon, you can get some ham, you can get some cheese. Whatever you want, you can get a customized omelet. Well, at least you used to be able to do that because, according to Carnival, that's not something you can do anymore. Now, you can still go to the omelet station. You can still order an omelet. But it's going to be from some pre-selected omelets. So you can get an egg white omelet, you can get a plain omelet, you can get a ham and cheese omelet, you can get a vegetarian omelet. You can go up there and you can order one of those specific omelets. But you can't go up there and kind of pick and choose and build your own. Well, this isn't sitting well with everybody. This is definitely not a popular decision by Carnival Cruise Lines. And according to Carnival Cruise Lines, they've done this because, you know, the line gets long and they want to speed up the omelet station process. They want to make it move faster. But I have some questions about that. Because if I'm understanding this correctly, I can still go to the omelet station. I can now pick from one of the omelet choices. So I can go up there and I can say, I'd like a ham and cheese omelet. And they will make me a ham and cheese omelet. So they're going to still put in the eggs, put in some ham, put in some cheese, and make me an omelet. Doesn't sound like they're going to be pre-made and you just, you know, pick one up there off the counter. No, it sounds like they're still going to make it, but only from these selections. So they're still going to go through the whole process. And now that I've done that and they've put all the ingredients on it, they're going to make my omelet and hand it to me. And this is going to make the line go faster. But I'm just thinking in my head that if I wanted to say, you know, have them put maybe a little bacon in there, maybe some green pepper or something like that in my omelet, how much longer does it take for them to just scoop a little something there into the egg? Is reducing the ingredients really going to make the line faster if they're still making those omelets fresh? Now, everything I've read says it's still going to be fresh, but, you know, it kind of makes you wonder if you're going to go out to the omelet station and say, I want a ham and cheese omelet, and they've got 4 or 5 ham and cheese omelets already made and they just hand you one. Yeah, I could see that making the line faster, but according to Carnival, that's not what they're doing. You're still going to be able to get a fresh made omelet. So I really got to wonder, is reducing the ingredients in the omelet really going to make the line go any faster? Or is this really about something else and this is just what Carnival's saying? Nah, I don't have any facts about that because Carnival said it's to make the line go faster. Maybe I'm not seeing it in my head of how that's going to make the line go faster. I think that if you want to keep it where you can get a customized omelet, maybe you should look next door to your competitor. Because I kind of like the way Royal Caribbean does it. You go to the omelet station on Royal Caribbean, you place the order for your omelet, they give you one of those little kind of like pager vibrating lights up and flashes type thing that you would get, say, in a restaurant. You go sit down, go get your food, go find your table, whatever the case is. When your omelet's ready, the thing vibrates, flashes red, and they hand you the omelet. You didn't stand in line. Why can't Carnival do something like that? If it's really about just not having a long line, well, there is a solution right there that takes away the long line. Now, whatever Carnival's reasons are, whatever Carnival's saying their reasons are, it's pissing people off. People are upset and unhappy that they cannot get their omelets. And I don't know that if it's so much or so specifically about omelets as much as it is that for longtime cruisers, they have been seeing a steady decline in available services and amenities on board the ship. Go all the way back to where your room, instead of being cleaned twice a day, is now cleaned once a day. You see prices go up, you see services go down. So I don't know that it's necessarily that omelets is just a huge important deal for everybody, as much as it is that it's a continuation of what they've been seeing over the last year with cruise lines, where they're basically taking things away that used to be there, used to be part of the cruising experience. But you guys let me know what you think. How do you feel about Carnival taking away the customizable omelet option? You can only pick from the selection that they offer. Are you okay with that? Are you happy with that? Are you one of the ones that's upset about the omelets? And have you been on a Carnival cruise recently? On a Carnival cruise right now and have experienced the omelet station? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know, how is it really working on board the ship? Has it made the line smaller? Has it made the omelet station faster by them reducing the available choices? All right, and I hope you've enjoyed our quick cruise news video for today. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.